What up YouTube, it's your boy the official and we're back with another video. And yeah, today we just fixing the car, or we're supposed to. I'm not sure if we're going to do it today, but I'll update you guys later on what's really going to happen. But right now I want to go fill up the tires. Cars on the jacks, as you guys can see. And yeah, factory spec on the 330 is coming sooner than expected, so just hang in there with me. The video is going to only come out later in the year, so yeah. Yo guys, I'm back. We're gonna go buy a starter, you get me? So I'm going to put you guys on the head mount, you get me? So we can try fit the starter. If it doesn't fit, we're going to go buy a new one. If we don't, then it means it fits. But E90 starter for you guys. So yeah, I couldn't even find the Bosch one. I wanted the Bosch because that's what BMW uses originally. I couldn't find that one, but yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on the head mount and try fit the starter. If I can't, I can't. If I can, you already know. We're gonna start this baby today, you get me? It's chilling right now. Parts on the floor, not parts, but like tools, car as per usual, and starter, head mount, and yeah. Starter is fitted. I'm not sure if it's fitting correctly. Cause it's not moving. Oh shit. Why did I move? But like, now it's not moving. Just have to bolt it in. There's like bolts there, and another bolt on the other side. I'm not sure if I can find it for you guys, but like, yeah, going to bolt it up and to clean all this excess, you get me? Clean down there so it can bolt up the intake or manifold. But something that we gotta look forward to is cleaning this, cause I did my research. All that oil that's sitting here is mixed with coolant. That's why it looks so watery. Also, it's coming from this, you get me? It's leaking on, let me show you. It's leaking on the side here, if you can see. I'm not sure you guys can see, but it's leaking here, and it drips down, then it stays there. Then sometimes when it's too much, it just drips down, and sometimes when the cars are hot, right, it evaporates and goes away. But yeah, I fit the starter, and now we just gotta clean all this excess off, because this is gunk from when this was on. So yeah, it's all coming together slowly but surely. But like, yeah, it's been sitting for like a month now because I was busy with school. I'm still currently busy with school, but like I'm taking time to focus on, you get me, the problem in hand. But yeah, pick you guys back up in a few seconds after cleaning everything. Or I'm gonna give you guys like a montage in a way of me putting back everything. And yeah, so now I just want to take out the starter to see if everything is connected properly. If you can see in there, right where my finger is, not sure if you guys can see, but like the starter is inside the hole, you get me? So now what I am trying to see is if I connected it properly. So I'm going to unbolt the terminal that draws power to it, and then I'm going to plug it back up just to see if I actually did. Just to see if I content. Oh sure. Oh scammer. Kaing.
Binance is trading and not stopping.
So we got the aluminium bolts right here. So now I want to see where the holes actually are to plug the starter back in, cause yeah, but I hope they don't give me any problems, cause I've heard that you are supposed to change the bolts out apparently, cause they are one time use only apparently. So I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh my gosh. But I'll pick you gens back up later on. So yeah. Update, I test fitted the starter. It looks like it lines up and everything, but like there's these bolts that I have in my hand, aluminum bolts, apparently one time use only. I'm not sure, but like yeah, the big one fits. Oh, the long one fits, the shorty doesn't. So I'm not really entirely sure. The mechanic said he's gonna pull up either today or tomorrow, so gotta wait for him, and we're gonna do this together, cause hey bruh, I'm still currently learning all this thing. Yeah, so yeah. Yo guys, we're back. The mechanic is here today. Yeah man, it's a day later, and yeah, we're about to fix the car or assess the car in a sense, but like yeah, there the car is and the mechanic's here. So yeah guys, we're back. The mechanic was just here. He just left right now because he brought the old starter, and yeah, we were just seeing what the differences are on the starters and why it won't work on the car. So either tomorrow, which is Friday, and Saturday, maybe, hopefully, I'm going to go back to get a starter, because they don't really look the same. I'll show you guys in a second, but like I told the guy that gave me the starter, not gave me, but like helped me find the starter, that's on the slip. I'm gonna show you right now, but like on the slip it says, let me find it. It says E90, E87, E46 starter. You get me? So I asked the nigga right there, why does it say that on the slip when I asked for an N52 starter? He's like, no, they're the same and all that shit. So like the fact that I saw it out, cause I know my car, bro, like, you get me? So it was one of those things where like, nigga, why are you playing with me, bruh? So I'm gonna show you right now how starters are different. And yeah, so whatever, bruh, I'm going there either tomorrow or Saturday. So yeah, so as you guys can see right there, it says E90, E87, E46 starter. So I guess they asked the nigga, why does it look like there's no the nigga says no, it's same, it'll fit. Okay, cool. Then the guy tells me, I was there with my mom, by the way. So the guy tells me that if anything is like fishy or it's not the same, which it is not the same, it is not the same. You get me? It is not the same. No same. You get me? He said I can come back, so that's what I'm thinking of doing when I go there on Saturday or Friday. I'm not really sure because like I got Disky today and tomorrow, so I'm either going on Saturday. So like yeah, shout out to mechanic, but like he took long, but like it's whatever. Gonna see this thing on Saturday. Yeah, we're back, and this time we have a starter, a original starter. This time we got a E60 530 starter. So I'm going to install it into the baby right now, and yeah, as per usual, I'll record and update you guys as we go, and just hope everything goes well. So yeah, guys, almost complete with reassembling the intake manifold. I put in the starter, it fed correctly, which is what makes me happy. It's actually raining right now, but like yeah, I actually broke something in the process, so I'm not really entirely sure what's going to happen now, but as long as the starter's in and I did what I was supposed to do today. But like, let me show you what I broke. And yeah, as you can see right here, this is the thing that I broke somewhere in there. You get me? That thing right there, right? Cool. So it goes all the way. It's actually raining right now, guys, so I got to hurry up. So it goes to there, which this is the brake master cylinder, so I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen right now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a second. Let me finish up. So yeah, guys, the plan is that I'm going to hold on. You get me? I'm going to pause for a bit, let the rain go, maybe sort everything out tomorrow, find out what that part is, and maybe see if I can replace it. And yeah, I'm actually gassed, guys, I won't even lie. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's video. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Road to 5k, you get me? And actually, I'm actually fixing this car so we can go to the meet that Rush is having on the 2nd of March. So yeah, you get me? From the 330 and myself, the official episode 1 of Project Factory Spec has come to an end. See you guys in the next video, and we're bound in 3, 2, 1.